In this video, I'll be talking about AI stocks which are worth investing in. And not to waste any time, let's jump right into it. First one I'm going to talk about is Nvidia. Nvidia Corporation has been a big deal in the world of artificial intelligence and graphics for a while now. You see, their GPUs are all over the place, from gaming to scientific research, and even in the world of AI and machine learning. At GTC 2023, they showed us what they've got in store. It's this new thing called Nvidia AI Foundations, and it's a game changer. This platform is going to shake things up in how companies approach image generation, text analysis, and 3D rendering. Basically, Nvidia is taking the lead in all AI generation. What's more, Nvidia just rolled out a new supercomputer, and it's like the powerhouse behind their AI software world. You see, supercomputers like these are a big deal because they handle all the heavy-duty AI tasks that are thrown at them, whether it's training smart models or going through massive data sets. This move basically secures Nvidia's spot as a big shot in the tech world that's going to drive the AI takeover. We're also going to take a closer look at those smaller companies that are jumping on Nvidia's software. These cool startups and businesses are weaving Nvidia's AI tech into their everyday operations. And if you're investing, there might be some opportunities to take in consideration. Nvidia is a big deal when it comes to AI's future, no doubt about it. Whether you're thinking about putting your money into Nvidia or checking out companies that use their tech, one thing's crystal clear. AI is going to blow up big time, and that's got investors and tech geeks all pumped up. Trust me, it's a smart move to invest in it now because it's going to be worth a whole lot more down the road. So let's analyze the chart. The buy zone, indicated by the range between 300 to 400, is the area where investors may consider initiating long positions in the stock or asset. Within this zone, the price exhibits signs of consolidation and potential accumulation, making it a favorable area for entry. The sell zone is located at approximately 700, indicating the area where traders might consider taking profits or selling their positions. Now, let's talk about the next company on our list, SentinelOne. They're not just your regular cybersecurity company. They're improving and creating new means in cybersecurity by using AI. They've got this all-in-one cybersecurity platform that's more than your typical endpoint protection. It gives you the full picture of what's happening in your digital world. It's like a one-stop shop for all your security needs in today's hyper-connected world. But what really sets SentinelOne apart is its AI tech. It's not just about finding and eliminating threats that we already know about. What's unique about them is that their software learns on the fly and takes on brand new threats in real time. Plus, they keep their platform updated with the latest threat info. They already have some well-known partners for whom they provide their protection services like Aston Martin or Canva. They are committed to ongoing innovation, expanding their global presence and further enhancing their platform. They could be a great investment in the future considering their innovative tech and already loyal user base. On the chart, the range from 8 to 10 is our buy zone, and it offers an attractive opportunity to initiate long positions in the stock. Within this range, there are indications of a support level being formed, which could signify a phase of consolidation or accumulation. The sell zone is pinpointed at 50, marking a level where traders may contemplate profit-taking or the exit of their positions. Resistance at 50 may be attributed to psychological factors. Now, let's talk about the next stock, C3.ai. In this age of making big decisions based on data, C3.ai is leading the charge in artificial intelligence and digital transformation. Their company innovators are looking to shake things up in a variety of fields. They're all about using the power of AI to help organizations get insights from their data so they can be better at decision-making. At the heart of C3.ai is this AI platform that's not just about doing the usual stuff. It's a game changer that helps businesses predict future trends, make things run smoother, and make customers even happier. And the impact they're having is massive. They've teamed up with some of the world's biggest companies in fields like healthcare and energy, and even with the US Air Force. So that means they're already a big player in this field, making them a reliable investment. Looking ahead, C3.ai's future is looking bright. They're planning to bring even more AI innovations to the table, go global, and make sure businesses thrive in the digital age. On the chart, the buy zone, spanning from 16 to 20, is a potentially favorable range in opening our long positions. The sell zone is situated at 50, where traders might contemplate taking profits or exiting their positions. Diving into the world of medicine, we're going to talk about Irhythm Technologies. Irhythm Technologies uses the power of AI to completely transform how we diagnose and manage heart conditions. Their secret is an intricate AI system that can gather and analyze loads of patient data in the blink of an eye. They gather this using their wearable heart monitors like the ZOXT, which basically generates a non-stop stream of data about your heart's rhythms. This data includes detailed information about a patient's heart rhythms, providing a comprehensive view of their cardiac health over an extended period. What sets Irhythm's technology apart is its remarkable ability to provide highly personalized insights. It takes into account stuff like your age, gender, your medical history, and even your lifestyle. This approach makes the diagnosis and treatment recommendations extremely precise. Right now, they're the leaders in the cardiology field because of their AI software. And to stay there, they dedicate a lot of resources on research and development to fine-tune their algorithms and broaden the range of conditions they can spot and handle with AI. Now, on the chart falling within the 50 to 70 range, there exists an entrance for establishing long positions. Marked at 170, the sell zone hints at a point where traders might explore profit-taking or exiting. This price level is expected to encounter resistance, which could subsequently trigger a potential reversal or consolidation. Now let's talk about Adobe, which might not be the first company that comes to mind when you think about AI. But that's precisely what makes it a hidden gem. So let's get into Adobe's Firefly. This new AI tool is making waves, and there's a good reason for that. If you're familiar with other AI tools like Midjourney, Stable Diffusion, or DALL-E, you know they have one big problem. They're a pain to use. Their interfaces are terrible. DALL-E and Stable Diffusion, well, they're just not user-friendly. On the flip side, Adobe has gone for a simpler, more intuitive approach. They put a huge emphasis on simplicity, which means everyone can dive in without much fuss. This approach is smart because it brings in a wider user base, making Adobe a strong contender and a great investment. Plus, Adobe already has the Creative Suite, which seamlessly ties into this AI game. They primarily have their income from monthly subscriptions, and when Figma tried to step up, Adobe swooped in and bought it. This move really solidified their position in the market. I'm pretty confident that Adobe is going to make some serious waves in the coming years, which could send their stock price through the roof. Now, in the AI generation scene, there's this standout player a lot of you've already probably heard of, Midjourney. Even though some people got their hands on Adobe Firefly's beta, it still seems kind of basic when you compare it to what Midjourney can do. Midjourney version 5 is like a whole new level of image generation, and I wouldn't be surprised if Adobe ends up buying Midjourney like they did with Figma if they can't top its capabilities. A lot of creators are still rooting for Midjourney over Adobe's Firefly. When a big corporation gets outdone like this, they usually start thinking about acquisitions as a way to keep up. When that news comes out, I wouldn't be surprised if Adobe's stock goes on a wild ride. And if you check the technical side of things, the analysis tells the same story. That's a pretty tempting investment opportunity, especially when you think about the big impact of Adobe's latest beta release. As more people catch on to how important and high quality this thing is, I'm guessing Adobe stock will have some great time. The field of image generation is growing like crazy, and Adobe's in a sweet spot to take it over. This under-the-radar part of Adobe's future could mean they're worth a whole lot, even though they're not usually linked to AI. So keep an eye on Adobe. It could be one of those companies that's about to go through the roof. Now on the chart, the buy zone here is from 300 to 400. There you can get a long position. This range indicates potential support and suggests a period of consolidation or accumulation. The sell zone is at 700, where traders might consider either taking profits or exiting their positions. At this price level, resistance is likely, which could lead to a potential reversal or consolidation. And with that said, thanks for watching the video, and if you found this video informative, you can check out this video about the top 5 AI coins to buy in 2023.